Guys, if this is going to intrigue you to know how I make my all grains to keep my skin flawless and lose weight, you will start enjoying green smoothies after watching this video today. So stay put and let's dive down into the video. Hello guys, welcome Kartia Velino. Welcome to my channel. Kartia Velino, are you using bleaching cream? No, I am not using bleaching cream. I'm going to show you my knuckles. How does that look? Because my organs, my kidney, my liver, everything is cleansed out. And I will share with you guys, I have been off sugar, anything sweet for the past 1 week. When I mean sweet, I mean like even eating honey or adding sugar in my coffee or my tea, and even staying away from sweet fruits. So today I want to share with you guys the kind of green smoothies that I have been drinking to help me have flat tummy, to brighten my skin, and to help me lose weight fast. And I will share with you how I eat and what I eat. I'm not going to show you the pictures, but I will tell you, like, example, what my breakfast will be, what my lunch, and what my dinner. Trust me, if you follow what I'm going to tell you, your skin is going to be as radiant as ever. You will lose weight, you will look good, you will be bright. And let me teach you how I make my green smoothies. So this is my blender. The first thing I add in my green smoothies is coconut water. So if you have fresh coconut water, go ahead and add fresh coconut water in your smoothies. The next thing that I have here, everything here is washed, is spinach. Spinach also has a whole lot of water and vitamin B, vitamin B12, B6, vitamin C. Here, the next thing I have here is kale. This is purple kale, and this is why it doesn't all look green here. It has a bit of purple in there. So I put some kale. Kale is all washed as well. So this is about handful. So you don't need to measure the vegetables that you are going to be blending. The next thing I'm going to be adding is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, of course, makes you poop, makes you go to the bathroom. And you guys know that a lot of people cannot stand the taste of vegetables alone because it's bland. So I will also be adding some dates. Dates is loaded with a whole lot of fiber, and it will help me go to the bathroom. This is seedless dates. It doesn't have seed and they are small. So I try to eat about 4 or 5 dates a day, which is equivalent to 2 big dates. So now that I have everything here, I am going to blend my green smoothies. So my all green smoothies is here. I'm going to pour it in my cup and I will drink my all greens. So let me tell you how I eat. In the morning, I'll have my fruits. When I say fruits, you guys know I love berries. I love to smooth up raspberry, blueberries, and strawberries. I have done a whole lot of videos. Stay away from orange because it bloats the stomach and there's a lot of sugar in orange. So Find the fruits that you want to eat. I have 1 cup of black coffee in the morning. In the afternoon, I have very small meal. It could be some salad with chicken. I try to incorporate a little bit of chicken. I stayed away from fried food. I stayed away from rice. I can have just 1 spoon of beans. I stayed away from white flour, bread, those things, they don't come my way. Banana, no. But I love me my pomegranate. I have one here. So this pomegranate is huge. So I will have this for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to cut it in 3. I'll have this, have my black coffee, or maybe have 3 boiled egg without the yolk, my fruit and my coffee, and I am out of the door to the gym as well. So guys, this is what I drink. So after that, in the afternoon, I eat a little bit of food. At night, I drink my smoothies. In the morning, I pee and then I detoxify. I pee and then I do number 2 to cleanse out everything in the system. And trust me, your skin will glow, you will lose weight, and you will have lots of energy. And hey, remember to blend any green of your choice. It doesn't have to be my spinach and kale. You can blend some lettuce with some bitter leaf and moringa. Drink whatever green that you feel comfortable ingesting. So let me leave you guys here. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Bye, guys. See you guys on my Instagram.